Hello, 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 hello. Mic check. One, two. Hello. Hi. Oh, yon. We are live. Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are right now. It's me, David, and we are live right now. We are live here inside of our house. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa loob ng aming bahay. And we are now in Yokohama. Nandito po tayo sa Yokohama, and it's actually, what time is it right now? It's 10:16 in the evening. So this is actually my first time going live at this point of time. Ngayong 10 o'clock po ng gabi. Um the reason for it, bigyan ko lang kayo ng update since it's my third day of this challenge is kaya ako na late, and ito lang yung time na napili ko is because si Zoe, my daughter, she's sick. So kanina sinundo siya ni I from the daycare because she is throwing up. Suka siya, tapos parang nagkakaroon siya ng diarrhea. So I got her checked sa doctor. So we found out na she has stomach flu, and may chance daw na nahawa sa mga classmates niya and all, but we all know when kids are gonna be kids, so they're prone to sickness. That's how they build their immune system. Kakasakit sila, lalakas immune system nila, gagaling sila. So she's fine. So yeah, you're a parent, so I have to do what you have to do what you gotta do first, right? So yeah, now tulog na siya, papahinga na siya. Now it's time to do my challenge. Yeah, so again, it's my day 3. Grabe, day 3 na. 3 days, day 3 ng aking Go Run Success Challenge. And this actually my first time using this I don't know if we call this platform or program, StreamYard. In our community, this is what the people are usually using. So this is a perfect time for me to try it as well. So it's my first time trying this, and actually it's really cool. Kinakaligit ko siya kanina to for me to be able to learn it. Now medyo na figure out ko na siya. Now we're live. Okay? So yeah, so ano ba yung day 3 challenge natin? So ito yung isa sa mga magagandang ng StreamYard. Yeah. Yan. So that's the question. Day 3 challenge is define your goals and objectives for this challenge. Diba? So day 3, I made a commitment to do this challenge, so I have to follow through. Kailangan natin siyang gawin. So yeah, define your goals and objectives for this challenge. For me, my ultimate goal, yeah, let's say my first goal for this challenge is for me to be able to move forward the business. So, alam naman po natin, if we have a goal that we want to achieve, we need to do something about it. We need to create action. We need to create steps. So this is one of the steps that I'm doing right now, doing action, and I don't know after 90 days what's the result, but I kind of like doing this action because it helps me open up. It helps me what do you call this? Get out outside of my comfort zone. So it actually helps me to grow as a person. So we all know if we have a goal, kailangan natin siyang gawin every day. We have to create steps, we have to create action. Hindi naman kailangan malaki, hindi naman kailangan like gawin mo siya ng 5 hours and that stuff, diba? Small steps towards your goal. I know that one day that this thing that I'm doing right now will create results. It will create momentum towards my goal. So I'm doing it right now. Yes. So yeah, kasi to be honest, I wanted myself, I wanted to go to the next level. So gusto kong mag-take ng step how to elevate this business going to the next level, because like I said, yung day 2 challenge ko actually hindi ko siya nasabi, kasi masyado maingay from the background. Now we're inside our house, so like it's really quiet. I can concentrate on what I need to say. Um, in this community, there's so many people who are successful because they did the work. So many people that are successful. So nung nakita ko yun na kung anong meron sila, kung ano yung kung 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 ano yung mga na-achieve nila, parang parang sinabi ko like, ano ba yung ginawa nila? Paano nila magawa? Bakit nila naabot yun? And they just did the work. So this is part of what they did. That's why they already left like a blueprint. So I'm just following it. I'm just following it. And throughout the way, it actually is helping me to become a better person and grow to learn new skills. So that's one of my goals. Like, yung goal ko kasi is, first of all, balik tayo sa business. I want to create action. And then, second goal ko is for me to grow as a person. Kasi kung ihahalin tulad mo siya, if you have a goal, kung meron kang gustong bagay na mangyari, hindi naman siya makukuha sa dasal-dasal lang, di ba? Hindi mo siya pwedeng kuhanan lang sa Panginoon na you just pray that one day that it can happen. You have to work for it. So this is actually part of the work, part of the steps that I want to do. Kaya right now, like I'm really like ngayon, nablanko. Kinakabahan kasi ako. It's my first time, but it's okay. It's okay to feel a little bit of kaba. It's normal. We're human beings, right? Pero kung meron tayong gustong mangyari, we have to create action. Kung ihahalin tulad natin siya sa basketball. Bakit basketball? I like basketball. Hindi naman yung isang araw, gigising ka, and ikaw na si Michael Jordan, diba? Or ikaw na si LeBron James. You have to actually work hard for it, show up every single day, practice. Like this, I'm practicing right now because I want to be able to speak in front of a lot of people one day. I want to be able to speak fluently in front of the camera like what I'm doing right now. Kaya ko po siya ginagawa ngayon. Like, practice makes perfect. That's what they say, diba? So I want to be able to express myself better. That's one of my goals also. And also by doing this, I'm creating skills, diba? Like this, meron tayong like this. Hindi ko naman alam dating gamitin tong StreamYard na to. Tapos meron pala siyang meron siyang mga banner na lumalabas, di ba? So ito siya, oh. Tutulan ko lang yan kanina. Oh. That's actually my website, di ba? So I'm learning new skills. I'm really happy that it's actually opening up my mind to a lot of things na hindi lang puro basketball. Kasi I love basketball. So I'm now actually learning how to speak in front of the camera. I'm actually now learning how to use the internet. So it's really nice. Ang dami ko natututunan. And one of the goal also, because as you have a goal and as you keep on doing it, like one thing that I notice, goals always change. Parati siya nagbabago. So isa pa sa mga goal ko since entering this business kasi, one thing that I really liked about business kasi kasi diba, like right now I'm still an employee. When you are an employee, pag isa kang empleyado, yung mindset mo, syempre, you're an employee. So you just go to work, do your job, eat lunch, do everything nice, and goodbye. Alis ka na, you're done. But if you have a business, itong magandang natulong sa akin ng negosyo na ito, itong ginagawa ko nito is parang nagkaroon siya ng shift in my mind. Like you have to think like a entrepreneur. You have to think like a businessman. You have to think like you own the business. So if you're a business owner, if you are venturing this entrepreneurship. So it really it really has to change the way you think. So yun, so it changed the way I think, and my goal right now, because nag-shift na ako nag-shift na yung mindset ko into becoming an entrepreneur. So my goal right now is just to become better every single day. That's my daily goal. At least 1% better every day. Alam mo yun, like, kasi I'm a big believer of parang small things in time will become big. Atomic habits, because like isa pa nagawa sa akin itong negosyo nito is I'm reading books. So right now, nabasa ko yung Atomic Habits na say like no matter how small the action is, if you continue to do it every single day, the 365 days in a year, syempre kung araw-araw siyang ginagawa at pagka sinukat mo yun at after a year, sobrang laki ng pagbabago sobrang laki ng magiging improvement mo, right? So that's actually one of my small goals right now, na just to be better every single day. Like kung kahapon na hindi ko alam to, ngayon alam ko na siya. So you became better, di ba? So small incremental steps, pagka nag-pile up siya, compound effect, it's like a big deal at the end of the day. So yeah, also one of my goals is also like to create momentum. So by doing this, I'm creating momentum. What is momentum? Pagka kasi may bagay ka na ginagawa, parang hirap niya ihinto, di ba? That's momentum. Like right now, kanina, di ba? Parang it's late. Parang sabi ko, parang hindi ko alam kung paano kung makakapag-live ba ako or what. Parang hindi ko alam, parang my mind is telling me to not to do live, pero alam mo yun, I made a commitment. So I have to follow through. I have to do that. Alam mo yun, pagka sinabi kasi ngayon, yung mga bagay na mga mahihirap, your brain will actually tells you not to do it. Kunyari, let's say, for example, for your health, exercise. You want to have a good body. You want to have like 6 packs. Pero pag inisip mo na yung exercise, parang ayaw mo na mag-exercise, parang mahirap. So yun yung ginagawa ng brain ko kanina eh. Parang sinabi niya sa akin na, huwag na mag-live, David, matulog ka na, you're tired. But I made a commitment. I want to stick on it. Now I'm doing it because I know if I have momentum and if keep on doing it, you're gonna eventually turn it into a habit. Like, tayong mga tao, pag sobrang tagal mo nang ginagawa ang mga bagay, mag-autopilot ka na eh. Dati sa Pilipinas, because I always drive, right? Drive ako every day of my life. Alam mo na kung saan ka dadaan, alam mo na naliligo ka dito, alam mo na kakaliwa ka dyan. Your brain is actually, kaya parang ginagawa ng brain mo, pinapadali niya yung lahat para hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. Nag-drive ka na lang, ganun. Alam mo yun? So I want to create healthy habits towards my goal. Ganun ang gusto kong mangyari ngayon. I'm creating healthy habits like this. Like, this is actually me like sharing to you all my learnings. If I do this every day, of course you're gonna be better, diba? So that's one of my goals, just to be able to say yung mga bagay na nasa loob ng utak ko na hindi ko man dati nasasabi. So before, I always tell yung mga ideas ko now, like I kind of want to tell it to the world, to the internet, like this. Kasi hindi ko alam, baka meron isang tao rin na gusto maging, alam mo yun, there's baka may isang instance na makita ng isang tao out na hindi ko siya kilala sa ibang bahagi ng mundo, tas it sparks something. So it's good na natulungan ko siya, diba? Just by taking action. So alam mo yun, so we never know. We never know what's gonna happen. I'm just happy that I'm doing this action right now. Because actually it's like helping me also to get out of the hump na parang nabanggit ko kahapon kasi na dumating na sa point of my life na I really want to level up my life. Pero puro ako procrastination. Sobra akong procrastinator. Grabe yung procrastinate is like mamaya na. Pagka tinagalog ko, mamaya na. Parati akong ganun. So, ngayon, isa sa mga goal ko, stop procrastinating. Stop yung mamaya na attitude. Mamaya na yan. Like now, it's time to go live. Go live. It's time to talk about this. So I'm not perfect. I'm not really. Hindi pa ako magaling doon. I'm still learning. That's why I'm also sharing this because I want you to be able to, hindi ako nagsasalita dito kasi nagmamarunong ako. This is also myself sharing insights for you to be able to, alam mo yun, may inspire people na parang, uy, parehas kami ni David. So that's actually one of my goals also. Alam mo yun, parang create connection. Let's do this journey together, di ba? If you really want that, I'm open to help. So yeah, let's see. Balik tayo sa mga tanong natin, no? Wow, where's the cursor? Like that. So now, saan tayo? There we go. Define your goals and objectives. So yeah, andun tayo kanina sa I want to create habits, di ba? Healthy habits. If you have healthy habits, there's no way na hindi mo magagawa yung goal mo. There's no way na hindi mo ma-achieve yung goal mo. I haven't been there because one of my ultimate goal rin, I just want to share, the ultimate goal of this, yung goal ko, why I'm doing this challenge or why I'm doing this business is because a lot of people inside our community have this business. They have what they call freedom. I want to have that. Freedom, time freedom, financial freedom. Para sa akin kasi when you wake up and you can do things that you want to do, that's actually freedom. Kung gumising ka ngayon, gusto mong pumunta ng Amerika, kaya mo pumunta, that's freedom. Gumising ka ngayon, gusto mong mag-tour sa South Africa, kaya mo siyang gawin, that's freedom. That's financial freedom. That's one of my ultimate goals. And also, time freedom. Kung gusto kong mawala ng, let's say, let's go to Switzerland, 3 months, you can do it. It's freedom. So, gusto ko siyang magawa kasi, alam mo yun, kasi tayo kasi, marami tayong mga gustong gawin, pero we're bounded by things. We're bounded by, these things, instances. We're bounded by work, we're bounded by relationship, we're bounded by circumstances, alam mo yun. So, para sa akin, pag natanggal mo na yung financial worries and like time worries, magagawa mo talaga yung bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo eh. I'm still on a journey of like doing that, pero I think one of my ultimate goals also, once na nakamit ko na yun, yung time and financial freedom is especially is to be with my family, but also I want to help other people. Kasi I think that in helping other people, that's the ultimate satisfaction. So that's also one of my goals. Kasi hindi ko alam kung for sure kayong kayo may mga natulungan na kayo, 'di ba? Tapos yung feeling lang na pag may natulungan ka tapos nakita mo yung tao na sobrang saya nila and or better nagbago yung buhay nila dahil sa ginawa mo. Sarap sa feeling, 'di ba? Sobrang sarap sa feeling. So I want to be able to help people. I want to be able to inspire people. I want to be able to parang share my learnings to people. So that's my goal. Ayun yung mga goals na gusto kong gawin na I may be really, really far away from it. I may be 2 or 3 steps away from it, but I'm willing to do whatever it takes starting right now. Kasi I really want to take that next step. So yeah, that's actually my goals and my challenges. I know one day it will change because as you climb success, as you climb yung mga stuff na nakukuha mo, at one point magbabago na naman yan, eh, 'di ba? Parang tayo, like let's say meron kang iPhone 10 or ano ba yung bagong iPhone yun? Kasi yung sa akin iPhone, no, it's 11. After 3 years, pagkagamit mo doon magsasawa ka. So it's same as goals, like pagka let's say na naabot mo na yung material na mga bagay na goal mo, at one point magbabago rin yan, 'di ba? So as of the moment, my goal right now is to do this live. Actually, like itong live na 'to ngayon nag-e-enjoy na ako. Hindi na siya nagiging alam mo yun, hindi na siya nagiging hadlang or hindi na siya nagiging obstacles tulad ng dati, because I really, really, really want to go to the next level. So this is going to the next level. This is me being comfortable talking to you. Nag-e-enjoy na ako. So yeah, so goal ko is to be able to grow, to be able to talk in front of you. What I mean, outside my comfort zone. This is outside my comfort zone, very outside my comfort zone right now. Talking in front of the camera. All the people that are watching are going to be watching this. So this is me na kinakabahan, pero it's okay. We're human beings, right? So it's actually like steps on becoming better. I want to be better, so I need to do it. This is me doing it, and I'm really enjoying it right now. So yun po, that's my goal, and that's my, I want to discuss more, pero for the ibang topics na siya eh. So ngayon naman hindi na ako marunong huminto, di ba? So yeah, I'm just really enjoying this journey, and I'm inviting you to come join me and become in this journey. I want to inspire people. I want to be able to help people in some sort of way. Whenever alam mo yun, pagka meron akong mga gustong i-share, I am willing to do it. Alam mo yun, like I'm still learning. I'm still learning to how to be the next level David. Kaya yun. So wala na ba ako nakalimutan? Actually, yeah, yeah. So that's it. I will see you again for the third day. No, fourth day. Actually, yung fourth day maganda. Fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, magaganda yung mga topics. So we're gonna see each other here. Maybe outside, maybe inside. I don't know, but one thing is for sure, I will show up. I will show up. I need to do it. I want to do it. I'm committed to do it. So yeah, I mean, you are going to see me 90 times. This is the third time. Yeah, the third time. So I will see you again in day number 4. Thank you. I have been talking for 23 minutes now, and thank you sa mga taong nanonood. Thank you sa mga taong makakanood. Thank you rin sa mga taong manonood. So this is me. That's my goals and objective. And now my goal is to lie down in my bed and sleep, because tomorrow I work. Yeah, so it's me, David. This is me saying good night to everybody because it's nighttime here. Good morning sa mga taong makakanood, and see you again on my next live. Peace. Thank you very much.